What if I told you there are AI tools right now that people are using to make thousands of dollars per month while doing less work than ever before? In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that are literally printing money for everyday people. Stick around until number 3 because that one changed everything for me. Let's dive in. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I drop money-making strategies like this every single week. Alright, let's get into it. Number 10. ChatGPT Plus. Yeah, I know everyone talks about ChatGPT, but hear me out. The paid version gives you access to GPT-4 and custom GPTs that can literally run businesses for you. People are using this to write entire ebooks in hours and selling them on Amazon for passive income. Others are creating email marketing campaigns for local businesses and charging $500 to $2,000 per client. The key? You're not just using it to write stuff. You're using it to solve expensive problems for businesses. Content creation, customer service scripts, marketing strategies. This tool alone can replace a 5-person team. Cost: $20 per month. Potential earnings: unlimited. Number 9. Jasper AI. This is specifically built for marketing and copywriting, and it's a beast. Freelancers are using Jasper to crank out blog posts, social media content, and ad copy 10 times faster than writing manually. Here's the play. Offer content writing services on Fiverr or Upwork. Charge $100 to $300 per blog post. Use Jasper to write it in 20 minutes. Edit and polish. Deliver premium quality. Jasper also has templates for product descriptions, which means you can work with e-commerce brands who desperately need this. Cost: starts at $39 per month. ROI: massive if you hustle. Number 8. Midjourney. This AI creates mind-blowing artwork from simple text prompts. And people are making serious money with it. Here's how. Create unique art prints and sell them on Etsy or Redbubble. No inventory needed. Someone orders, it gets printed and shipped. You just collect profit. Others are selling AI art as NFTs or offering custom artwork services on Instagram. Want a fantasy portrait? A logo concept? Product mock-up? Midjourney cranks it out in seconds. You charge $50 to $500. Cost: $10 per month for basic. Worth every penny. Number 7. Descript. This tool is a video and podcast editor that uses AI to transcribe, edit, and even clone your voice. Here's the money move. Offer podcast editing services. Podcasters hate editing. They'll pay $75 to $200 per episode to have someone else do it. With Descript, you can edit by literally deleting text from a transcript. It's insanely fast. You can also create YouTube videos without ever showing your face. Record audio, let Descript transcribe it, add stock footage, and boom. Monetized faceless channel. The voice cloning feature? Use it to fix mistakes in recordings without re-recording. Clients love this. Cost: free version available. Pro is $24 per month. One client can cover your costs. Number 6. Copy AI. Similar to Jasper but with a different strength. Short-form copy. Think email sequences, social media captions, product descriptions. The opportunity? Become a social media manager. Small businesses need consistent content but don't have time. Charge $500 to $1,500 per month to manage their accounts. Use Copy AI to generate captions in bulk. Schedule them. Collect your retainer. You can manage 5 to 10 clients simultaneously because the AI does the heavy lifting. Cost: starts free. Pro version is $49 monthly. Scale this and you're printing money. Number 5. Pictory AI. This tool turns text into videos automatically. Paste in a blog post or script, and Pictory creates a video with stock footage, captions, and voiceover. Here's how to monetize. Start a faceless YouTube channel in a profitable niche. Use Pictory to pump out videos weekly. Once monetized, YouTube ad revenue plus affiliate links and descriptions equals passive income. Or offer video creation services to businesses. With Pictory, you can make one in an hour. Cost: $23 per month. One client pays for itself. Number 4. Synthesia. This creates videos with AI avatars that look and sound like real people. No camera needed. The business opportunity is huge. Companies need training videos, product demos, and corporate communications. They used to hire video production teams for thousands. Now they need someone who knows Synthesia. Create professional videos in multiple languages with AI presenters. Real estate agents, course creators, and HR departments are desperate for this. Cost starts at $22 per month. This is enterprise-level work for freelance prices. Number 3. Notion. Now this one's sneaky good. Notion is already a productivity powerhouse. But with AI built in, it's a business tool on steroids. Here's the play. Create Notion templates and sell them. People pay $20 to $200 for well-designed systems. Think content calendars, project trackers, client management dashboards. Use Notion AI to auto-generate content inside these templates. Or offer Notion setup services to entrepreneurs and small teams. It takes a few hours but solves massive organizational headaches. Cost. AI features are $10 per month. Build once, sell forever. Number 2. 11 Labs. The best AI voice generator on the market. Crystal clear, human-like voices in dozens of languages. Money move number 1. Audiobook narration. Authors need audiobooks, but professional narrators charge thousands. Offer AI narration for $200 to $1,000 per book. You just upload the manuscript and let 11 Labs read it. Money move number 2. Voiceovers for YouTube creators, ads, and e-learning courses. Charge per project or per minute of audio. Move number 3. Clone your own voice and use it for faceless content creation. YouTube videos, podcasts, courses. Cost. Free tier available. Paid starts at $5 monthly. Number 1. Canva AI with Magic Studio. If you're not using this yet, you're leaving money on the table. Canva's AI can generate images, remove backgrounds, write copy, and even create entire presentations. The barrier to becoming a designer just vanished. Offer graphic design services. Social media graphics, logos, flyers, presentations. Charge $50 to $500 depending on complexity. With Canva AI, you can deliver professional work in minutes, not hours. Create and sell digital products. Printables, planners, social media templates. List them on Etsy, Creative Market, or your own Shopify store. The best part? Canva is so easy that you can hire virtual assistants to do the work while you focus on sales and client acquisition. Cost. Free version is powerful. Pro is $13 per month. This is your Swiss Army knife for making money online. There you have it. 10 AI tools that can legitimately make you money starting today. The technology exists. The demand is massive. All you need is the hustle to put these into action. Pick 1 or 2 tools from this list and commit to mastering them this week. Start offering services, create digital products, build your faceless empire. The people making money with AI right now aren't special. They just started. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making content. Drop a comment and tell me which tool you're trying first. I read every single one. See you in the next video. This is Reinventing Life with AI. Thanks for watching.